yun?
Oo.
6 p.m. to
Ay,
9 p.m. kami.
mamaya ka. Hala.
Ano, astronaut? Helmet pala yan. Ha?
Hala, kanino yan, be?
Kanino yan daw?
Mayroon palang ano dito, Predator.
Kay Tito G yan? Nag-transform ka? Ha? You want to grow up sa house ni Lola? Bakit? Paano na yung house mo?
I want to wear this one.
Ah, gusto mo mag-grow up ka sa house ni Lola kasi isuot mo lang yan.
Kasi I want to ride this motorbike today.
You want to ride it to G's bike today?
Yeah.
Oh.
Motorbike is
Right.
really fast.
Oh. How about Papa's bicycle?
It is blue here and it is a button.
Ah, small pala yan, Papa eh. Papa, small pala yung bicycle mo eh. Mas faster pala yung motorcycle ni Tito G eh.